If you think China's Multiple Launch Rocket System, or MLRS, capable of launching suicide drones in large numbers from a Humvee-like vehicle is absurd, wait until you hear what Israel's defense and HLS company Spear did. Join us today at Drone Zone as we talk about Israel's latest and greatest defense breakthrough, the Ninox 40. Spear specializes in the creation of unmanned aerial systems, and the little guy you see here is called the Ninox 40 Micro-Tactical Drone System. The term Ninox 40 Micro-Tactical Drone System may not sound impressive, but trust me when I say that this UAV is really hazardous. The Ninox 40 is unique in that it is a single-user drone that can be deployed manually by hand while on the move or from a normal 40mm grenade launcher in a matter of seconds. The encased drone is roughly the size of a typical folding umbrella, weighing about 250 grams, and it comes with a battery sufficient for up to 30 minutes of flight time. When the craft is propelled into the air, 4 arms, each with a rotor, deploy and the craft takes off smoothly. The speed with which Ninox 40 can establish its position in 3D space and take off after the rotors are deployed is astounding. Everything happens in a matter of seconds, from launch through rotor deployment to flight. Each craft has significant ISTAR, intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition and reconnaissance capabilities, a day and night camera for better situational awareness, and autonomous tracking to withstand harsh settings such as the battlefield. Once in the air, it may be readily handled or operated totally autonomously with images taken by the onboard camera displayed on the system's wearable. That's correct, the display is designed to be worn on the chest. A mesh network is also supported by the system for controlling several UASs. You probably don't want to see this drone in a battle because it also boasts flawless C2 connectivity, allowing it to serve as a suicide drone, just with a few taps and swipes on the touch-enabled joystick. With military technology like the Spear Ninox 40 Micro-Tactical Drone System, the future of the battlefield is either safer or more hazardous, depending on which side you're on. HLS Applications recently signed a Memorandum of Understanding, or MOU, with Paras Aerospace, a subsidiary of Paras Defense and Space Technologies Limited, to bring the unique encapsulated Ninox 40 system to the Indian market for use by the military, paramilitary, internal security and law enforcement agencies. The Indian defense sector faces issues in monitoring many international boundaries as well as dealing with harsh natural forces like monsoon rains, cyclones and earthquakes, said Yishai Amir, CEO of Spear UAV, in a statement. The Special Forces, Army, Navy, numerous internal security divisions and national disaster response teams are all faced with these issues. Our organization's collaboration will address the needs of these forces, providing every individual, officer, and the first responder with immediate ISTAR capacity to perform their task and save lives. Paras is a recognized and well-known defense technology provider serving Indian government organizations such as DRDO and defense PSUs, as well as the private sector across India, as well as corporations from other Asian and Middle Eastern countries, said Pankaj Akula, CEO of Paras Aerospace. Thanks to the Ninox 40's success, Spear decided to expand the collection with another variant of the drone, the first of which is the Ninox 40 Handheld. This unique enclosed drone technology delivers quick intelligence capabilities to any tactical force, even if it lacks a 40mm grenade launcher or other special equipment. The Ninox 40 Handheld, with its unique launching system, can now provide advanced capabilities to a variety of law enforcement agencies, including police, for use in public safety and law and order applications, prison services for management of any disorder or prison break attempt, border guards for situational awareness and securing sensitive infrastructure, and more. The Ninox 40 Handheld, like the Ninox 40 Micro-Tactical Drone System, does not require deployment. The system consists of an encapsulated drone and a control unit. When released at high speed, the drone unfolds and stabilizes in the air without the need for operator participation. It's lightweight enough to be carried in the soldier's vest during the conflict, as it is specifically intended for single-user use and weighs less than 250 grams, within regulatory limits. Among the benefits are mission adaptability. Ninox 40 handheld systems can be carried by any number of users in a unit depending on mission needs and provide complete ISTAR capability without the need for any other weapon or special equipment. The Ninox 40 handheld is safe and simple to operate, requiring no specific training. Ready to use. The fully ruggedized launch capsule can be carried in a vest or a vehicle, or kept as is, remaining ready for instant launch on the field throughout a mission without any special maintenance or preparations. The Ninox 40 handheld has a flight time of up to 40 minutes, extensive iStar capabilities, a day and night camera for better situational awareness and autonomous tracking, and can be launched while moving or from concealment. The new Ninox 40 handheld joins the Ninox family of unique capsule drones, all of which feature breakthrough technology developed in-house at Spear UAV, with the goal of changing the battlefield and providing ground forces with advanced and immediate capabilities, says Gadi Cooperman, Spear UAV's founder and CEO. This is the world's first manually launched drone from a capsule, providing combat soldiers, HLS forces, and law enforcement officers with situational awareness in seconds for any task in the field. We're still developing the system to fit the specific demands of our customers, and new versions are now in the field. However, the Ninox 40 isn't Israel's first breakthrough in the defense industry. This title goes to the Arrow 3 defense system, aka the Iron Dome. But before we continue with the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our future content. The Arrow 3 is an exo-atmospheric hypersonic anti-ballistic missile developed jointly by Israel and the United States. It's capable of reaching speeds of up to Mach 3. The project is being worked on by Israel Aerospace Industries, or IAI, and Boeing, and is controlled by the Israeli Ministry of Defense's HOMA administration and the United States Missile Defense Agency. The system intercepts ballistic missiles, especially intercontinental ballistic missiles capable of carrying nuclear, chemical, biological, or conventional payloads. It can pivot to see oncoming satellites as they pass overhead due to its capacity to rapidly swap orientations. According to rumors, the Arrow 3 has a flight range of up to 2,400 kilometers. The Israeli and US governments were working together on the development of Arrow 3, an upper-tier component of the Israeli Air Defense Command, with a kill ratio of roughly 99% as of August 2008. An architecture definition study conducted in 2006 to 2007 indicated the necessity for the upper-tier component to be included in Israel's ballistic missile defense system. According to Aryeh Herzog, then director of the Israel Missile Defense Organization, the key component of this upper layer will be an exo-atmospheric interceptor built jointly by IAI and Boeing and deployed in the Northern Hemisphere. The new component will require longer-range detection, tracking, and perception capability, in addition to the capabilities given by the Arrow 2's present Green Pine and Super Green Pine radars. Airborne electro-optical sensors deployed on high-flying unmanned aerial vehicles and enhanced Green Pine radars, as well as the ANTPY-2 radar, already deployed in Israel and controlled by US forces, are among the advanced sensors being examined for Israel's future multi-tier system. The Arrow 3 unique exo-atmospheric interception technique, like the Arrow 2, features a two-stage interceptor but is purely based on hit-to-kill technology, Israel Aerospace Industries stated in June 2009. Unlike other kill vehicles which use liquid or gas to drive them, the new Israeli murder vehicle will use a normal rocket motor with a thrust-vectoring nozzle. A gimbaled seeker will also be installed to offer hemispheric coverage. This kill vehicle will divert from its course and accurately align with the target's flight path using proportional navigation. This is accomplished by measuring the seeker's line of sight propagation in proportion to the motion of the vehicle and altering the vehicle's course accordingly. Joseph Hassan's IAI colleague Galya Goldner designed the new death vehicle, which they jointly patented. The concept, according to Joseph Hassan, is relatively simple, trustworthy, and cost-effective, and it's built on well-established technology. Furthermore, the flexibility and agility of the death vehicle reduces the requirement for detection and tracking technologies which are normally utilized in conjunction with remote sensor-assisted exo-atmospheric kill missions. At the 2009 Paris Air Show, the International Aerospace Industries, or IAI, unveiled a full-scale copy of the Arrow 3 missile and accompanying death vehicle. Arrow 3 should be able to intercept ballistic missiles, particularly those carrying weapons of mass destruction, at altitudes greater than 100 kilometers and across greater distances than previously anticipated. That's it for today's video. Let me know if you think Israel really needs all this force, or is it just for show? I hope you've enjoyed watching this video just like I've enjoyed making it, and make sure to comment with any future videos that you're interested in watching. I'll be seeing you all soon, and as always,
Subscribe for crash.